Playing with Anna, I guess, aside sa skills na kino-contribute niya, she really contributes to the team's attitude. Like, pag drills sa game, or like, sa training lang, when we're like having rallies, tas we lost the rally against the other six, she's like, okay, here we go, here we go. So parang nakaka-help siya vocally kasi kahit import lang siya, very vocal siya with the team.
Yeah.
So she doesn't keep to herself talaga. And I guess that's Anna's personality talaga even sa US. So she's a big personality sa team kahit import siya. She really contributes to the aggressiveness ng team.
I was going to ask about her personality, Thea. Ano yung hindi namin nakikita pagdating kay ano? Kasi nakikita namin, itong mga to nakikita niyo sa TV, how great she is as a player. Pero tell us about some of the things that we don't know about Anna in person. Na pwede niyo sabihin, of course.
Yeah. Well, yung vibes niya talaga, like, maganda.
Talaga?
And she's the type of person na go lang din ang go. Na kahit outside the court, kunyari gusto namin siya yayain, or we want to try her some Filipino foods, go lang siya.
Talaga?
And she really likes it. Like, hindi siya plastic, kumbaga.
Right.
Yeah.
And she gets to hang out with the team also off the court.
Yeah.
Kasi
It's
it
really
helps,
nice.
I suppose, Dip, na hindi rin malayo yung age, di ba?
Actually,
With Anna.
yeah, because this is her first stint, di ba? Outside of where she came from at ngayon playing in the Philippines, and we see her vlogs, di ba? Mahilig din siya mag-content around where she stays. So I'm sure she's having a blast.